of February.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. Yeah, live. It's a time flies. Yeah, we have a lot of information, and we we see there's so many information for us to digest, and yeah, and let's start with the Nicholas slide. We have some news, a lot of information. Yeah, please let me uh, share the slide. Mr. Nicholas, how do you feel when the Bitcoin price still hanging around and
All right, I'll just reading on some information. Let's see. So basically, this information they were saying why, what was the reason likely behind the crypto market rally in February? Because now we are at the end of February, right? So in
yeah,
the beginning of February, especially just before our Lunar New Year, the period,
yeah,
it was still low. It was still like chill. Then I think it was during the time where everyone's celebrating the Lunar New Year or the Spring Festival. It start to kind of like jump and shoot and just keep going up. Yeah, so now is then after that it's hanging at 53, 52, 51, 53, something like that. So now last night I checked it's 51. Now I think it's still around the same. Yeah, so it is hanging between 52 plus minus 1 2000, that range. So of course there are people who say, oh, the reason behind this period of upswing is because there's an increase in retail activities, uh, and also because of the Bitcoin halving coming up, and also because of this Denkun upgrade of the Ethereum blockchain.
yeah,
Yeah, so, and also the potential approval of spot Ether ETFs. Yeah, so I know, as you all know, the last few months before arriving at 2024, there has been a lot of talks, a lot of information about ETF, exchange traded funds, especially Bitcoin ETFs. Yeah, so these are the news that has pushed the Bitcoin price to where it is today. Yeah, so of course, retail activity has increased, uh, and this has been a catalyst, has speed up the process of BTC price moving up, and all this are according to retail analysts out there who has been watching the market and all. Yeah, so they say these retail investors, I believe there are also a lot of new entries in the market, new investors in the market where they are new. They come, oh, yeah, so now it's 40 plus thousand. I need to buy in case it reach 50. You know, of
yeah,
course, it reach 50 after that. Yeah. So, what do you think, Mr. Richard?
yeah. Mr. Nicholas said to us about when the new entry people when they jump in the market at 40,000 plus and then up to 50,000, and should they get the profit, take the profits at this moment? Yeah, it's up to some of the investor. They have the long term or short term investing. Yeah, and with the Bitcoin price, the reason why Bitcoin price stuck near 50 52,000. Yeah, I have some big uh, detail here. There's a sharp jump in the number of institutional investor, and fee collected by the miner dropped 32% in a week. Yeah. This is these are two reasons. The price of Bitcoin is around 52,000, and then it's go down to 50,000. Yeah, and so on. Later we will go more detail, and we will see the option charts of this Bitcoin's liquidity. Yeah, Mr. Nicholas, I hear you share some slide about Argentina, about the
All right.
inflation rate. Yeah,
Okay.
uh,
Why the reason why I include information like this is because Argentina, the president, uh, Javier Milei, something like, I think that's how you pronounce the name.
the new version.
So when he was running for president, he was talking about adopting U.S. dollar as the main currency, forsaking their own pesos, and then there are a lot of talks about we want to be more into this crypto blockchain and all. Yeah, so Argentina, the inflation rate right now, uh, in December it was 211%. Yeah, so the now it's February, right? So at the end of January, the inflation increased up to 254%. So this website called Trade Economics, they were actually estimating and forecasting that the inflation rate for the Argentina currency is going to be at, at least until 315% by the end of quarter one, which is the end of March. Yeah, so, but the thing is it going to stop there? Of course, they are painting a picture. Oh, after it reached 350, 15%, it's supposed to drop down further, it's supposed to come down from the top. But the thing is that this is their forecast, But
Yeah,
if you look at some other currencies in some African countries, and also another country in Central America, the inflation didn't stop there. The inflation went further up. So it kind of like, of course, this Javier Milei, he was focused on getting Argentina out of this gray list of FATF, Financial Action Task Force, where the country was included from 10 to 2014,
yeah,
and due to the lax money laundering policy. Uh, I believe every country has some form of money laundering, but it's the policies that is going to help them move forward. Yeah. So all service providers will have to register uh, with the national cryptocurrency watchdog and operate under the license that will be provided by the organization if they are not based in Argentina. In
yeah,
other words, even if you are not based in Argentina, you operate these cryptocurrency services and all, you will probably be taxed. Yeah,
yeah,
if you, yeah. So like implementing such measure, it could lead to consolidation of the crypto environment. So will this cause an adverse effect on the currency situation? Yeah, because Argentina, they want to regulate cryptocurrency services, right? And
yeah,
then of course, this word executive order sounds very familiar. Remember Donald Trump when he went on and become when he got elected, right? He became a president. He took office. The moment he got into office, he just keeps signing executive orders, right? so this word executive order sounds so familiar. So I think they are trying to use a similar style. Yeah.
yeah,
So of course now it's 25th February. Before March, they're supposed to issue before March this executive order that will regulate cryptocurrency service providers in Argentina. And end up at the second point, even if they are not based in Argentina, they will have to, uh, I don't know, pay tax, follow the rules, whatever.
yeah,
So small. Here's the last line is what I more interested in. It's like even small exchanges, peer-to-peer market could be forced to withdraw due to their inability to comply to this regulation. Yeah.
oh,
Crypto exchanges basically. I think this whole article is all about crypto exchanges. So of course they group them under crypto service providers. Yeah.
Yeah.
So crypto exchange is going to, I don't know, small one maybe they will just pull out and shut down. But a big one that is still in Argentina, they will probably have to, I don't know, pay a lot of tax.
But
Remember?
I think this is a good move for Argentina when they want to switch to the crypto.
Yeah.
So they need have the regulation because we see Argentina have a very large inflation. They say the
Yes.
hyperinflation. The government keep printing and printing money. So that the new president, uh, he's uh, He's, uh, he's the one who want to bring Argentina into the different era by apply some of the regulation. Yeah, it's good to see the change in Argentina when they have some new law uh, to uh, to adapt with some of the crypto situation. Yeah, how about your slide is about the Ethereum,
All
uh,
right.
the new
Yeah.
new firm.
Yeah. I've forgotten to delete the last two pointers, which is empty.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
But
So
never mind, we can just leave it there.
yeah. So we can
So
back to the slide why we comply stock near 52,000. Yeah. We have a lot of information in this week. During the week, there's some of the activity. There's some news I want to share to our audience. Yeah, the first one is uh, you may remember Greg Grice, the one who claimed that he's Satoshi. Yeah, and now he's had the law because he always claimed he's Satoshi Nakamoto, and now recently there's um there's a guy they
what
say
are
that
you doing right now, actually?
yeah. So can you see the slide? Uh, the guy let me the guy
But text emails.
yeah, expect email. Martin Malmi, yeah, also had a serious. He's the one who revealed the email between him and Satoshi during 2009 and 2011 when he do the when he worked with Satoshi. Yeah, uh, you also can find the link in our slide. Yeah,
That
in
Oh yeah, this is quite interesting because you see,
yeah, yeah,
now, right now, the situation is nobody. I believe even I think the real Satoshi, be it a person or an organization, they
yeah,
are not coming out. So someone like Craig, right? He came
yeah,
out and tell the whole
yeah,
world, I am Satoshi. But then anyone can just create an email of Satoshi name and just tell the
yeah,
whole world, "Oh, I was the one who sent the email." Yeah, so this is quite interesting, I mean,
yeah,
of course, we read it with a pinch of salt and say, okay, let us be aware of what is going on here, but let's hope that the real Satoshi is not someone, some, some, whatever.
yeah.
You know.
In the in if we dig into the email reveal and we will may know who is the real Satoshi because with in the email there's a developer his he had just passed he's also passed away and and that means the similar between him and the Satoshi during the email is also so that we the reader may think that he's the real Satoshi because he don't want to let the other people know the Satoshi and he know that he just he can live only a few years, so he planned Satoshi can run out to the project and disappear at that time. Yeah,
It makes a lot of sense.
yeah, yeah. That's right.
Some person who is very old or maybe have some uh, uh, incurable disease that is going to disappear soon, then
Yeah,
they do these kind of things. Yeah,
yeah.
possible. It's possible.
Yeah, that's one who that's leak to let us know that's the real Satoshi, and then with someone want to claim that he's Satoshi. Of course, that's not true. Uh, until he can prove that he has some of the key to show that he's a real Satoshi. Yeah, and then the next one, the information of why Bitcoin price stuck near 52,000, the sideways movement. Uh, uh, with the sideways because in the beginning of the week we see the pickup price around 52,000, and then the end of the week we see it's a drop around 50,000. Yeah, uh, the reason maybe the reason it come from the liquidity of the BTC. When we see the long call and uh, the short put of the BTC is during the week I see is imbalance. Yeah. Now we see that is uh, there's a the uh, last long order here is a red color, and the number of the stock here. Yeah, sometimes the exchange they want to make the balance and they just adjust the price by sell a lot of BTC uh, to uh, um, make the order expire. Yeah. That's why we see um, the price of the Bitcoin just hanging around that. One more reason is about the BlackRock still keeps selling BTC in their pocket, and they want to get some other cash. The but now the number of selling is decreased, and we may see now the price of the Bitcoin just hanging around 52,000. But we hope that in next week the price will reach the new point. Yeah, and we also can see the miner. Yeah, we also need to remember our miner keep they need to have some cash to pay for their mining activity. That's why that's the reason why they why we see the price look like that. Yeah. In the article, we see there's a sharp jump in the number of institutional investors. Yeah. As I know that Bitcoin get a lot of attraction, a lot of information, bring a lot of information when the Bitcoin spot ETF release. Some of the funds, some of the financial institutional give their customer this product in the Bitcoin spot ETF, and we see a lot of fund jump into. So we see the price of the Bitcoin keep going up. Where during this week, we also can see the charts between the risk and risk index. Yeah, what the charts about risk and risk index, risk and fear. I forgot where's the chart. Uh, The index now is of the Bitcoin is around more than 70 point. So people still uh, very excited about crypto. This in yeah, yeah 74. The that's why we see people still feel very excited about Bitcoin, and we hope next week is a week that Bitcoin may reach
Yeah,
around yeah
it may gain in a price as well,
yeah
because if this grid meter stays this way at 74, or stay in green rather,
yeah
people are more positive. They stay more excited for a longer time. So
yeah
that may have a good that it can help the price to move further up.
yeah. But we have so many so many factors that bring the Bitcoin price go up at this time because spot ETF Bitcoin halving is coming
Yeah.
next 2 months. Uh, yeah,
Yeah.
and then some of the information like mm, uh, the war between the Ukraine and Russia. The president in U.S. Is coming this year.
Presidential
Yeah,
election, right?
yeah, and then we feel that, and we see that if we compare 4 years ago, there's a black swan. Remember, black swans coming four
Yeah.
years ago. Last 4 year, when the Bitcoin price around 10,000, it go down before the Bitcoin halving. It go down to 3,000. You may remember. Let me show you the chart.
Oh
Uh,
yes, it was
uh,
really bad. It went down really, really far below.
yeah, yeah. Let me what the chart Bitcoin price. I think there's a chart. You may remember 20 here. Uh, Here's this chart. That chart is yeah. Now is now 2024, and we see around 2020. It's a long. It's a
Wow.
it's a it's a candle here. We see before Bitcoin jump to the next level. Yeah, it's along here transition. So that in some case, I also say that uh, beware of the black swan. But this time may be different. Every uh, every circle of the crypto circle and financial circle sometimes it's a little bit different with the other, but we know most of us know that Bitcoin price may may go up next year, this year or next year, because inflation rate in the US they may decrease, but not this month, not in May. They just say that maybe in summer. That's why we still beware that with the trader when they think they see that, oh, they have the profits, just take profits as they can too, and then prepare for something happen. Yeah. In my own opinion, yeah, sometimes we do trade. Some traders just trade careful and do more research. YR, do your own research. Yeah, to know more your your investment strategy. Yeah, that is some of the information we want to share to all of our audience, our people. Yeah, we hope that you have some idea, you have some good information from our live stream. Yeah, and hope to see you in our next live stream.
Yeah, let's
Mr.
move to the last slide. Let's move to the last.
The last slide.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I touched a little bit on VC funding on crypto-related companies or crypto-related venture capital funding, right? So this A16Z, Andreessen Horowitz, this one is no stranger to the VC arena. So they are pretty famous. Yeah, a lot of people know about this company. This company made a lot of investment, and I think in the last couple of years they made a lot of investment, quite a number of investment in crypto-related ventures, right? So this time around, they have invested in how do you pronounce Igin layer? Yeah, so 100 million, right? So this company previously they have a 50 million round by another investor, but this time around only this VC firm put money into this Igin layer, right? So uh, of course, crypto-related ventures they have started to increase following the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs and all. Yeah, so they have increased a fair bit of, from 2.5 VC funding for crypto-related firms rose from 2.5% in the 4Q fourth quarter of 2023 to 1.9 billion. That's a large amount of money into crypto ventures. Yeah. So of course, this Argent layer, a little bit of a list, just touching a little bit on this Argent layer, and they enables validators and stakers to restake liquid staking derivative tokens like Lido Stakes Ether and Rocket blah, 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 to secure and validate other networks. So this asset can also be deployed in other decentralized finance protocols to earn additional use. So this restaking protocol is something that is quite interesting. Yeah. So, Mr. Richard, have you ever come across this restaking protocol stuff?
Yeah, I also hear the little stack eater. Yeah, just see that, but I don't go to some of the stacking protocol, the new one, because uh, stacking. If we stacking, we need to do a lot of research to know exactly to know who about the platform. If not, some of the stacking will go to the will that will go to limo. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's why some investor they need to do a lot of research before they put the egg into the basket. Yeah, um,
absolutely. Absolutely. I agree with Mr. Richard. Yeah, so basically, this is to highlight to us that venture capitalists are putting money into crypto related projects. They are still putting money into crypto related projects.
yeah. And we need to think twice. I also hope that you all can do a lot of research before
Yes,
you do some of the do investment into the crypto market. Yeah, some of the strategy we also can do the DCA. Just keep buying crypto every day or every week on your exchange and and do saving. Remember to cash out to take profits when the market is good. Yeah. I also hope that next week is new. Next week we will go to the March, the new month
oh
of
yes,
yeah of this years, and in the March we hope just hope Bitcoin will reach a new ATS will 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 reach the around 60,000 in next week. Yeah, just hope that. I also hope that it can reach that. So before it can reach, it can pass the support level is around support level now is around 54. Yeah, if the price Bitcoin is above 54, yeah, we also can hope that. But now the price Bitcoin around 52,000. We hope that Bitcoin can go up. Yeah. Uh, so it's also the time for us to complete our live stream. Yeah. If you have any question, please let us know. Yeah, and just drop us the comment or choice our Telegram group to to let us know. Yeah, we are happy to see you there. See you in the next live stream. Mr. Nicholas.
All right, see you in our next session. We hope you make some money in this price, Bitcoin price today, and see you soon. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye bye.